What's going on, guys? As promised, we're going off-roading today. Let's grab our stuff. We're gonna hop in the Jeep. Oh, it started. So happy. As you know, we've been having a few problems with the Jeep over the last few weeks. I think I've got most of them ironed out, with the exception of an evap leak, which I still have a check engine light. And I'm gonna go grab coffee. We're meeting Chris and Faye about 5 minutes away. I gotta get some fuel because we have only about a quarter of a tank of fuel. But first stop, I need some coffee. What's going on, guys? My name's Casey, and here we are in my Jeep. If you're new to the channel, I upload videos every week, and this week we just happen to be going off-roading. I go every few weeks or so, but I hadn't been doing a lot of off-roading over the summer. So if you enjoy off-road vlogs, you enjoy parts reviews, install guides, anything Jeep and off-road related, hit that subscribe button. I would love to have you join the community here on my channel. We're getting really close to 4,000 subscribers. Really excited, and I really appreciate all the support that everybody's been giving me on the channel, and I will continue to make you guys videos as much as I can, which is at least every week. I've pretty much uploaded every week for over a year, and it's been a lot of fun. So if you want to see more of my content, hit that subscribe button and don't miss any of my uploads. We are almost at Starbucks, and yeah, that's my favorite place for coffee, mostly because all the Starbucks here seem to have drive-thrus, and it's just a lot easier in the morning. So I'm gonna grab my coffee here in a sec. Why are there so many cars in line to get coffee right now? I'm not drive-through lineup, but I walked in, grabbed a couple coffees, and I was out in like a minute. So, oh Jeep! You know, the Jeep isn't really that slow, to be honest. Like, it's not fast. It's not Corvette fast. But it's not super slow. With the 513s, even with the 37s, and this bagged out old 3.8 liter, it does okay. It does okay. Yeah, it's bad. 60 bucks. Chris and Faye are here, and we are off. Bit of a boring drive, nothing to see. I will see you guys, well, it'll be in a second after I edit this video, but in like an hour and a half, probably when I get a bit closer to the trail. All right, guys, I told you it wouldn't be long, quick drive, and we're already aired down, so we don't even have to go through that. And look who we have behind us. It's Eli and Candace. Go check out their channel, Loki Lights. You may have seen them in other videos on my channel. Remember back when we did the snowboarding dinosaur? Yeah, well, it's been a while since they've been on the vlog, but go check that video out and check out their channel. Always a lot of fun with these guys. And we haven't seen Chris and Faye or Erik in a while, but we got the crew out. It's been a while since we've been out wheeling, but here we are. All right, let's hop back to the Jeeps. We're good to go, aired down. Sway bars are disconnected. I'm standing in the middle of the road. I don't want to get hit. And we're gonna go find a trail real quick here. Have a specific plan for today. We just wanted to get out in the Jeeps and do some exploring and see where we end up.
You got a stump behind your right, in front of your right rear wheel.
Lots of stumps in this area for sure. Definitely cannot complain about the views here where we off-road. Hi there. So a random Eli in the bush. Whoop. Watch where I'm going. We have just stopped for a minute to check out this amazing view behind me. I hope the sky is not getting blown out in this picture. Get down from here. Oh, look at this. Someone has built an actual deck up here. This is literally a deck. Right?
It seems pretty sturdy.
Someone's put a lot of effort into creating this thing. I didn't bring the fridge today. I need to fix some of the wiring. I have a plug back in here that I can quickly plop the fridge in, but you know, for these shorter days anyways, I just throw some sparkling waters in my little mini cooler. And today we have a extremely healthy lunch of leftover pizza. What a great view, a great lunch spot. What do you guys think? Perfect. Erik cannot sit still for 5 minutes. Faye is risking her arm being smashed on many branches. Just had to dodge one myself. As always, she's grabbing great B-roll for us on the channel. Much appreciated. And Faye always seems to be up to the task. I think that's about as far as we can go on this trail. If we go any further, that's going to be a bad day. Great view though. Wish it was a little bit sunnier. We'd be able to see a little bit further in some of the mountain ranges and lakes behind us, but kind of chilly here. Feel the crisp wind coming off this ridge. As usual, we have found ourselves in one of these tight, less used trails. That is not for the faint of heart if you care about body damage or scratches. Right?
That's right.
What am I on?
Oh, stump. Oh, there's a stump there.
Sorry about the upside down footage. Coffee break time. See how hot the Starbucks still is in my Stanley here. Still steaming hot. Perfect. Yep, just about as hot as when I picked it up. I try to give you some perspective how steep this is that Eric's trying to come up, because the camera never really does it much justice. And he's having a heck of a time. It's just super wet and loose. The dirt, we've had a lot of recent rain, and you just lose all your traction because you can see it's filling up his tires with mud and rotting trees and stuff like that. Just needed a little bit of skinny pedal. Ride right up. We made it up thanks to the trusty Warren winch. This is the first time I actually used the Sidewinder. I don't know, seemed all right. Any better than a normal hook?
It was hard to get through the early toe strap.
Yeah, that was kind of my complaint when I reviewed it. Is that if you don't have small clevis hooks on your toe strap, you pretty much need another D-ring to connect it to the, or not toe strap, tree saver. You need another D-ring anyways. And another recovery. Well, we broke our first Rotopax. Didn't hit a tree too hard, but I guess it was enough to crack it. As you can see, Chris is only running one. That's 3 that he's broken. I'm thinking that just having these things on the backs of our Jeeps going through these trees isn't a great idea. They don't seem to be incredibly durable to bumping into things. So if you got Rotopaxes on your Jeeps and you're likely to bump into a tree, you may want to think twice about having them on the back. So I don't know, figure out, maybe Rotopax will warranty that. We'll see, we'll see. I don't know, it just cracked. I don't know. I think I had about 2 years. And I bump into a lot of things, but
You even bent your high jack.
yeah, I've even bent my high lift that was on there. I just bent this, this was a different tree I bumped into. It looks like Evo only welds this part, probably so that if you do hit this, it doesn't warp the corner armor or wreck the corner armor, it just bends up. But my Rotopax sits here on the back, and a lot of the times when we're trying to navigate through some of these tight trees, you got to try to back up as much as you can. And I just barely bumped it into a tree, but what should I put back here? Nothing? I can put nothing. I can put just my license plate. Put a Rotopax somewhere else. What do you guys think? Leave a comment down below what I should do. I'm not sure that leaving the Rotopax on the back is a good long-term idea if we're just gonna keep breaking them. You know, 20 degrees camber, that ain't too bad. I think we're good to about 30. Not that I want to test it. Apparently this little ledge was giving Erik some problems, but Chris crawled right up it. So we'll see. The ledge here isn't a problem, it's this ledge down below that gets the longer wheelbase, so. All right, we'll give it a try. All right, we tried. I made a couple attempts trying to get up it, but thing is, it was a double ledge and it's wet and mossy and muddy and there's just no traction, and my rear tires are getting hot with the front tires at the same time. So the two-door can actually hop over the back ledge and then crawl up the front ledge. Four doors, you're getting both the front and the back just stuck right in both of those ledges and no traction. So we went around, whatever. How's that look out there?
It looks like I don't want to do it.
It feels actually quite straight.
It is. Like you're flexing very well.
Just want to hit these trees. Oh, it's all right. Just gotta get through these trees. That's probably the hardest part, is exiting this little drop and not clipping the tree over on this side too badly. But we're good, we're good. See why everybody's stopped up here. Oh, real rocky. Well, we got a little bit of rocky hill to finish off this trail. Wish there was a way to show just how steep these trails are, other than trying to point way down the hill and way up the hill.
Good skid plate.
Chris, you gonna make it look easy in the two-door?
The plan.
Yeah. So Erik, you know, it's doing a pretty good job getting around that tree. Not bad, not bad. Give you like an 8 out of 10.
We're no spotter.
Yeah, we're no spotter. I'll go 8.5. There we go. No problem. Yeah, two-door life. All right, now we gotta go maneuver the giant Jeep through. If Erik can do it, I can do it. This is how steep it is, right? Like you can't even see barely where Eli is. There he is. You don't notice just how steep it is when you're down in the obstacle. We're sliding a bit. I gotta get super far over. So you want to get over to that tree there and then be able to get as much turning radius hooking around.
There you go.
2 turns?
Oh,
I didn't crack my grill, did I?
no, little dent.
A little dent. All right, guys, that kind of wraps it up for today. Don't forget, next week, I'm taking the Jeep to Dyno Day at our local performance shop. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss the next upload. If you're interested in seeing just how much my 10-year-old Jeep with almost 200,000 kilometers has for horsepower, thought that'd be kind of a fun video. Leave a comment down below what you think we are gonna end up with for horsepower. I have no clue. I haven't even thought about it whatsoever. But it'll be a fun day, fun video, and we're gonna meet up with some other local car people as well. I might bring the Corvette down, I'm not sure. It's really hard to get 2 vehicles. It means I have to find someone else to drive one of them, probably the Jeep, because I only drive the Corvette. But anyways, we're gonna head out. I'm gonna go air up and make the trip back down to Victoria. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and leave any comments or questions down below. Let me know how much horsepower you think the Jeep is gonna have on the dyno. I'm curious to see what your guesses are. With that said, I will see you soon in the next upload.